If you've lost access to your Tidal account and cannot use your email, there are still ways to recover it. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Tidal login page. Go to the Tidal website or open the Tidal app. Look for the login option to start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login screen, find and click the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Use alternative recovery options. Since you cannot access your email, look for alternative recovery options such as using your phone number linked to the account. If available, select this option to receive a recovery code. Step 4. Enter the recovery code. Once you receive the recovery code via SMS, enter it in the provided field on the Tidal website or app. This will help verify your identity. Step 5. Set a new password. After verifying your identity with the recovery code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. If you still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support for further assistance.